Now today we will see plugging action in DC motor. In plugging method of braking, the armature supply is reversed or polarity of supply is reversed. So for that case, suppose this is the normal shunt DC motor. Supply voltage is plus minus. This is field winding IF. So this is called as a running condition. Now in braking condition or plugging condition, what is important here? The field winding is same, but armature winding is reversed connection like this. So this polarity will be changed here. So we will see here, and also we will connect a resistance in series. So because of this, the polarity of electric supply of armature terminal is reversed and field circuit is remains same. So from that, so the supply voltage and back EMF add together to cause a very large plugging current, because E is equal to V minus IaRa, but here Ia will be equal to V plus E by Ra. So large current is flow because of supply voltage and back EMF both are together. So that's why we reduce the large current by safe limit by inserting the external resistance Rb, so that reverse current produce the negative torque and it bring the rotor to rest. So the braking action can be done by using this plugging method. Thank you very much.